Why are there not more people talking about the midnight sun? It's like living in a dream. Imagine a world where day and night blend together. Welcome to the land of the midnight sun. In places like Norway, Alaska, and Sweden, the sun stays up for months. Yep, no sunset, no darkness. Why does this happen? It's all thanks to the Earth's tilt. During summer, the North Pole is tilted towards the sun. This means it gets sunlight 24/7. Amazing, right? But it's not just about the light. The midnight sun brings endless adventures. Imagine hiking, fishing, or even having a BBQ at midnight. The wildlife loves it too. Birds sing, flowers bloom, and animals roam freely. So next time you're planning a trip, think about experiencing this natural wonder. The midnight sun is waiting to brighten your day and night.